In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CEO overview dashboard in ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, head to the Dashboards area. Click Add Dashboard and give it a clear name like CEO Overview, so it's easy to find later and instantly recognizable for your leadership team. Next, choose a clean, scannable layout. Grid or custom layout works perfectly here because this dashboard should only surface high-level metrics, not the noisy details. Think of it as your executive cockpit, concise, visual, and focused on outcomes. Now let's add the key widgets. Start with a task list so you can see active tasks across all teams at a glance. Add charts to track project progress and completion rates. Bar or donut charts are great for quick trend checks. Include a workload widget to visualize team capacity and spot bottlenecks before they slow you down. Finally, add time tracking to review time spent per project or department, which helps connect effort with ROI. Quick note before we continue. If you don't have ClickUp yet, you'll find a link to the website and the desktop download right at the top of the description. Grab it there so you can follow along or set this up later. With the core widgets in place, filter them for high-level data only. Limit views to critical spaces like sales, marketing, operations, and finance. This keeps the dashboard strategic and uncluttered. You're not trying to manage tasks here. You're monitoring performance. Customize each widget's view so it emphasizes executive-level insight. Show totals and percentages. Highlight overdue items and hide task-level details unless absolutely necessary. The goal is to make key metrics pop so decisions can be made quickly. Arrange the layout for fast decision making. Put KPIs and charts at the top where eyes go first. Keep workload in the middle so resource constraints are easy to spot. Place detailed task lists at the bottom for context when you need it. Maintain consistent date ranges across widgets and use clear color coding so status and risk are obvious at a glance. Finally, share the dashboard with leadership. Use the share options to give executives real-time visibility and alignment. This turns your dashboard into a single source of truth they can reference anytime without asking for updates. That's it. You now have a clean, high-level CEO dashboard in ClickUp to monitor performance and make faster decisions. Thanks for watching.